The markets are reeling as China releases some new ChatGPT, and apparently Bitcoin is an AI stock these days. Now that we're married to Wall Street, so I have a confession to make, folks. I sold my crypto. Oh no. Well, not exactly. What I did is I made a big change to the portfolio. I've been looking at some things and thinking critically about a narrative shift that I've seen happen in crypto regarding AI projects that we see now with these AI agents, literal AI projects, and then the comparison to those new ones like AIXBT, Graphene, to the previous realm of AI adjacent projects, such as Near Protocol, such as ICP. We saw a lot of really great movements in AI adjacent or compatible layer 1 projects in March of 2024 around the NVIDIA conference. Now, we do have an NVIDIA conference coming in 2025 in March again. And the average frame of thought in mind as well was that we're going to see these things pop again, right? But seeing that we have projects that are specifically built on and actively utilizing AI now, which we didn't have to this degree back in March of 2024, leads me to make a big move. And I also have to think about the fact that Paul Atkins is about to be brought in as the chair of the SEC. He's on the board of Securitize, a very, very big piece of the real world asset infrastructure. So the dude who's on the board of one of the biggest RWA systems on the planet, working with Biddle and all these other Ondo plugins, is going to be leading the SEC. I think that RWAs and real world assets are going to pump as hard, if not harder, than AI tokens in a very, very short amount of time once we see Paul Atkins brought to the helm. So this led me to make a big move for the portfolio. Near Protocol, we originally got in around $1.90. I was buying around $3 and even a little bit more at $5. And for the last while, I've noticed that it's just been trapped under the $6 realm. Every single time it would pop its head above $6, just barely, it would get slapped down. And now with this market sell-off, Near got its ass kicked. What I did, right as I saw the market was rolling over, is I tethered up my Near Protocol, let the blood play out a little bit overnight, and I came and saw a great opportunity with a new project that we're still waiting on verification from the data. It looks like Aptos has added over $40 billion in private lending to real world assets on RWA.xyz. This morning we noticed this data, and it looks like it might actually be legit. This, if it's real, would be a breakneck breakout for Aptos. Aptos has a very interesting background. It's a team of developers that actually was originally part of the Libra project with Facebook. The other side of the team that didn't go the Aptos way went with a well-known SWI protocol, SWI blockchain. They went to SWI. So SWI's been up and to the right. Aptos has not had its chance to shine in the sun, and I think that they're doing something very, very big on the underside with private lending. Combine this with Paul Atkins taking over the chair of the SEC, I think that we're going to see RWA tokens absolutely smash in the short few months that we have ahead of us here. So swapped out my Near Protocol for Aptos, and still making plays into these AI agents. I really like what I'm seeing on the AI agent side, but I'm a utility token guy when it comes right down to it. I like AI projects that have direct utility, and I like RWA projects that have direct utility and representation of the real world brought on chain. So I made a big move. With these market dips, you just got to take advantage of the blood. This is the time to shift around portfolio if something's not really performing that well and you see a narrative shift. That's exactly what I see. And I also see a huge opportunity if you look at DeFi Llama and the differentiation between the total value locked on Aptos and the price of the token. This leaves room for opportunity for me, so I took advantage of it. And I hope you all are paying attention to all of the moving parts of crypto. Things change quickly, as you can see. In just a few months, now we have active AI agents. We have a person that's very familiar with real world assets taking over at the SEC. And today is the day I made a big move. So I love and appreciate you all. Hope you do your own research and hodl strong. This market pullback, these are average, guys. This is not too scary. Honestly, we're still in a bull market. It's just a little bit of a bump in the road. So with that, stay based, subscribe to the Blockchain Basement, and pick yourself an Arculus card up. Code BASE10, link down in the description, and I'll see you on the flip side.